Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles in your bathtub. First, select a good quality bubble bath solution. You'll want something specifically designed for creating lots of suds. Next, make sure your tub is sparkling clean. Any residue can hinder bubble production. Finally, fill your tub with warm water, aiming for a comfortable temperature, as very hot water can sometimes diminish bubble longevity. Now, for the magic, as your tub fills, pour your chosen bubble bath solution directly under the running water. This agitation is key to creating a rich, foamy lather. Begin with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of product. You can always add a little more if you desire an even greater mountain of fluffy bubbles, but start small to avoid overdoing it. To really boost your bubble production, ensure the water stream from your faucet is strong and direct. The more air that gets mixed into the soapy water, the more bubbles you'll create. You can also gently swish the water with your hand to further agitate the solution. Remember, wait until your bubbles are fully formed before adding any bath oils or lotions, as these can sometimes pop your beautiful creations. To keep your glorious bubbles lasting throughout your relaxing soak, try to avoid vigorous splashing. Gentle movements will help them endure longer. If your bubbles start to diminish, you can always add another small dash of bubble bath directly into the water and gently agitate it. After your blissful bath, remember to rinse your tub thoroughly to prevent any soapy residue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.